Ladies and gentlemen, this was a good week if you are a Tesla shareholder out there. This week, Tesla shares moved up over 12%, over $32 per share this week. Finally, a good week for Tesla stock, all right? So today I want to talk about, as someone that's a shareholder of Tesla, what are the three things I'm looking for from Tesla for the rest of this year, okay? What are the three things that I'm kind of paying attention to in the conference calls and going forward with the company that I think are going to be big things going for the rest of 2018 into 2019. As you know, I bought back into Tesla last Friday, and we're already doing very good. I think we're already up probably $1,000 or so on that position. So it's going very good, and my goodness, like if every stock could go the way Tesla's gone for me both these times I've invested in it, like I wouldn't be recording this video, I'd be on my yacht right now. Like it's just unbelievable. So be happy that not every stock is like that for me, guys. So the first thing I want to talk about here is the first thing I'm looking for the remainder of 2018 is, can they get to an 8,000 plus production number per week for Model 3. We know Model 3's ramping. We know they've got it to around a 5,000 number. It looks like pretty consistently now. They should be approaching around a 6,000 number consistently here per week, all right? So what I'm looking for is throughout 2018, coming in here to the end, okay, the fall time going into the, early winter in December and whatnot, can they start hitting an 8,000 plus number per week on production of Model 3? That's going to be a big thing I'm going to be paying attention to. If they are, that's looking very good, okay? If they only can stay around this 5,000, maybe 6,000 number, that limits production in a major way there, okay? But if they can get it to an 8,000 plus number, I think that's a really bullish thing for Tesla, the company, because it proves that they can really start ramping in a massive scale. And if they could get to somewhere where they can start doing 10,000, I'm not counting on that, but if they could get to a 10,000 number before the 2018's up, like that would be ridiculous, okay? I'm not counting on that. I'm looking for an 8,000 plus number. If they can get to that number, it's gonna prove a lot of Tesla haters wrong, and it's gonna obviously be a very bullish thing for the stock overall, and it's gonna get a lot more people putting in orders. I get a lot more orders out there for the $35,000 model, and some of the lower price Model 3s out there. So I'm definitely looking for that. If they can get to that number, I will be very happy, okay? The second part is no more drama, okay? I would like the rest of 2018 at least to be no more drama, right? We saw the stock move up 12+% this week. Why did the stock move up 12+% this week? Okay, no earnings were reported, nothing was reported. The fact is, this week there was no drama with Tesla, all right? There was no Elon going on a podcast, puffing the magic dragon. There was no drama with, they're calling some guy a pedo and this and that. There was nothing this week. There was no going back and forth with short sellers. There was nothing. There was no drama this week in Tesla, and so the focus, if there's no drama and there's no negativity as far as that goes, and say, oh, Elon Musk is crazy, look what Elon Musk did this week, all of a sudden then it goes back to look at how they're ramping, look at the revenue rise they're going to have, look at the production numbers they're going to have. And all of a sudden you go to the base fundamentals of the business. So if there could be no more drama for at least the rest of 2018, I would be a very happy camper. Anybody that's a Tesla shareholder, like this stock would be looking a lot better if we can just stay drama free, no distractions, just laser focus. I'm just looking for laser focus out of Elon Musk for the remainder of 2018. This is a very important back half of this year. We're looking at possibility of profitability in both quarters, Q3 and Q4. We just need laser focus from Elon Musk, no drama, and also they got a lot of big models coming out into 2019. We were talking about Model Y going to potentially be shown off. It should be shown off at some point in 2019. That's going to be probably the biggest catalyst for Tesla going forward over the next few years. That's a really big thing, okay? And they're probably already designing a Tesla pickup truck of some kind. I'm not confident they'll show that off in 2019. That might be more of a 2020 thing, but we just need Elon Musk to stay laser focused on Tesla, okay? No drama, stay out of all that stuff. If he can do that and the company can do that, stay focused, man, I think, we could be looking at a real good situation with Tesla stock, because then it just goes back to revenue numbers, production numbers, can they hit profitability? And if they hit profitability and the production numbers are great, the back orders are great, the revenue's rising like crazy, like what are the short sellers going to go off of then, okay? If there's no drama, if there's no, Elon Musk is crazy, look what he did over here, and it's just all about the numbers, and the numbers just get getting better and better, then all of a sudden short sellers are leaving. By the way, short interest in Tesla shares are going down and down right now. A lot of shorts have covered over the past few months, so that's something to take into account. The new short interest numbers should come out sometime this upcoming week, so it'll be very interesting to see if more short sellers covered. From my understanding, more short sellers have covered, and it'll probably be the lowest short seller number we've seen in quite a while in Tesla stock. So no more drama, Elon Musk. Just stay away from it. Focus on Tesla. Focus on SpaceX. You know, spend your time on that. Don't worry about what a short seller says. Don't worry about what some guy says online. Okay, just focus. Okay. Next part is, this is a big one. I'm looking for any updates on new factories, okay? Specifically here in the United States and also China, all right? We know Fremont's maxed out right now, okay? We know Fremont's pretty much maxed out. Are they gonna have a new production line coming, a new factory coming in the United States? And where's it gonna be? You know, how's that getting financed? All that type of stuff. Any update around that? Model Y could be a massive seller, okay? When this actually comes out, you know, they're supposed to show it off here in early 2019, okay? And then all of a sudden, they're supposed to probably start production in late 2019 or maybe early 2020. That's going to be probably a massive production line. I wouldn't be surprised if that's doing Model 3 type numbers, if not more than Model 3 type numbers. It depends on the price points and things like that, the features of that car. But when Model Y comes out, like, they're going to pretty much almost need a whole new factory, in my personal opinion, just the United States for that production line alone, all right? So any updates around that would be awesome to hear. And also the Chinese factory, like, that's supposed to, open up in Shanghai. Any updates on that? Financing, funding, when's the construction date going to start? How many vehicles will they be able to produce out of that factory? Any concrete details we can get as far as updates around the new Shanghai factory, when that's coming, and when they can actually start producing out of that. That's another very important part. I would love to hear any updates going throughout 2018. So from my perspective as a Tesla shareholder, it's my smallest position I own. It's my spec stock. As someone that's a Tesla shareholder, like, those are the three things. Can they get to an 8,000 plus number on Model 3 per week? That's big. No more drama, Elon Musk. Just stay out of that drama, man. Trust me, it's better for the stock price. You don't have any drama this week, and look what happens to Tesla shares. It goes up 12%, okay? And also, any updates on the new factories? I would love to hear new updates there. So it's an exciting back half of 2018, and going into 2019 may even be more exciting because, from my understanding, in March, they're supposed to possibly show off the Model Y, which is just, I think, going to be an unbelievable selling SUV. So very exciting times. Let me know what your guys' opinion is down there on Tesla stock, on Elon Musk. I would love to hear from you guys. Do you agree with me? Stay out of the drama. What type of production numbers are you looking for? Anything about the new factories? I would love to hear from you guys down there in that comment section. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.